Have you ever come across a friend or family member wandering around at night, fast asleep? Around 1 in every 3 people experience sleepwalking, and it's a really interesting phenomenon. To understand sleepwalking, we need to know a bit about sleep. There are 2 different types of sleep: rapid eye movement, or REM sleep, and non-REM sleep. REM sleep gets its name from what our eyes are doing during this phase. They move really quickly from side to side under our eyelid. Although our eyes are busy, the rest of our muscles are paralysed during this stage. We only spend about 20% of our night in REM sleep. The rest is in non-REM sleep, which also has some different stages. Stage 1 is just drowsing, Stage 2 is a light sleep, and Stage 3 is a deep sleep. We cycle through these phases of non-REM and REM sleep multiple times a night. So what is the deal with sleepwalking? Sleepwalking, or somnambulism, happens during the deep sleep phase of non-REM sleep. Usually in this phase, our brains produce a neurotransmitter, or signalling chemical, that shuts down the parts of our brain that control our movements. So while you might be dreaming that you're running around, really the most you're doing is twitching a bit. In people who sleepwalk, it seems that the brain doesn't produce enough of this neurotransmitter, so the motor regions of the brain can still function, and people can walk around, drive a car, and even in a couple of famous cases, kill someone. Some research studies suggest that there's a genetic basis to sleepwalking. So if you're a sleepwalker, there's a good chance that your kids could be too. And if you're already susceptible to sleepwalking, then being really tired, really stressed, or taking some medications can trigger episodes. Which brings us to an important question. Should you wake a sleepwalker? Contrary to popular belief, it's not actually dangerous to wake someone who is sleepwalking. Sure, they might be a bit startled and disorientated, but you won't give them a heart attack or damage their brain. Know someone who's a sleepwalker? Share this video with them, and don't forget to like and subscribe.